Hello everyone, my name is Ketki Kadu and today I'm going to explain units and measurement topic. So units and measurement topic comes under physics. So first we'll see what is physics. It is a quantitative science which is used for measurement of physical quantities such as length, mass, time, etc. So for measurement we need device and units. So what is unit? Unit, it is a standard for measurement. So measurement is done in some system of units. So there are four system of units. So the first one is CGS, that is centimeter, gram and second unit. Then second one is MKS, which is meter, kilogram, second unit. Then third one is FPS, which is foot, pound and second unit. And the final one is SI, that is System International. So this is SI units are used worldwide because when we measure something is or quantity in SI unit, it is accepted worldwide. So there are seven fundamental quantities which we measure in SI units. So first one is length, which is measured in meter, and that is M. Then second one is mass, which is measured in kilogram, that is kg. Third one is time, which is measured in second, that is S. Fourth one is temperature, which is measured in Kelvin, that is K. Fifth one is current, which is measured in amperes, that is A. Sixth one is luminous intensity, that is measured in candles, that is candela, that is CD. Then the seventh one is amount of substance, which is measured in mole, that is MOL. So we'll see next the difference between distance and displacement. So distance, it is a scalar quantity and displacement, it is a vector quantity. So what is scalar quantity? It is only magnitude, but vector quantity, it is magnitude plus direction. So what is the definition of distance? Distance, it is the total length covered by an object. Which then the next is displacement. The definition of displacement, it is the length between initial and final position of an object. So then next we'll see the speed and velocity. So what is the difference between speed and velocity? So speed is scalar quantity and velocity, it is a vector quantity. So what is speed? It is the displacement covered per unit time. So speed is equals to distance upon time, which is measured in meter per second, and velocity, it is the displacement per unit time, which is displacement upon time, which is also measured in meter per second. So for today it is the topic units and measurement. Thank you so much.